In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flag emails and find flagged messages later. If you want a simple way to keep track of important emails without moving them into folders right away, using flags is one of the easiest tools available. Flags help you mark messages that need follow-up, remind you to come back to something later, or organize tasks directly from your inbox. To get started, go to your message list and look for the flag icon next to the email you want to mark. When you click that flag icon, the email will immediately be flagged, making it easy to spot and return to later. This is useful when you receive a message that requires action, but you may not have time to deal with it right away. If you want more control over when you plan to follow up, right-click the flag instead of just clicking it. This will open a small menu with several timing options. From there, you can choose today, tomorrow, next week, or custom. These choices help you assign a follow-up timeline that matches your schedule. For example, if an email is urgent, choosing today can help you keep it front and center. If it can wait, selecting tomorrow or next week gives you a clear reminder without cluttering your immediate priorities. If none of the preset options fit what you need, choose custom. That gives you more flexibility to set a due date that works best for your workflow. It's a helpful option when you're managing deadlines that don't fit into the standard timeframes. Once you've flagged a few emails, you'll probably want a quick way to view them all in one place. To find all flagged emails, click Flagged at the top of your mailbox, or look for them in your to-do list. This creates a much cleaner way to review everything that still needs attention without having to search through your entire inbox one message at a time. If you're using the web version, the process is very similar. You'll use the same flag icon, and you can also set a due date easily there. So whether you're working in the desktop app or on the web, the overall experience stays simple and consistent. Using flags regularly can make email management much more efficient. It gives you a lightweight way to stay organized, follow up on important messages, and keep your inbox actionable instead of overwhelming.